Algebra looks scary because of this letter X. Your brain panics. What is X? Why are there letters in math? Stop. Breathe. X isn't a monster, it's just a mystery box holding a secret number. 3x plus 5 equals 26. Level 1. Let's say x equals box. Imagine you have 3 boxes and $5. The total is 26. To find what's in the box, we need to get rid of the extras. Rule number 1, kick the plus 5 to the other side. When it jumps over the equal sign, it changes its mood. Plus becomes minus, so 26 minus 5 equals 21. Now 3 boxes equal 21. Divide by 3, boom, x equals 7.
4x minus 8 equals 12. Be careful, now we have a minus 8. Same rule, kick the minus 8 to the right side. But remember the mood change? Minus becomes plus, so 12 plus 8 equals 20. Now we have 4x equals 20, divide by 4, and x equals 5. Too easy.
2 times x plus 4 equals 18. Wait, there's a wall guarding the x, these parentheses. We need to break the gate using the rainbow attack. Multiply the 2 with everything inside. 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 4 is 8. Now the wall is gone. Kick the plus 8, it becomes minus 8. 18 minus 8 equals 10. Divide by 2. X equals 5.
3x plus 2x plus 10 equals 30. This equation looks messy. We have x's everywhere on the left side. Before you kick anything, clean your room. Group the x's together. 3x plus 2x equals 5x. Now kick the plus 10. It becomes minus 10. 30 minus 10 equals 20. Divide by 5. X equals 4. 5x plus 3 equals 2x plus 18. The boss battle. We have x's on both sides. Group the families. X's to the left, numbers to the right. Kick the 2x to the left, negative 2x. 5x minus 2x equals 3x. Kick the plus 3 to the right, negative 3. 18 minus 3 equals 15. Back to basics. 3x equals 15. Divide by 3. X equals 5.
You just mastered algebra in 3 minutes. Rainbows, kicks, and cleaning rooms. Can you solve this bonus question? Write the answer in the comments. Subscribe for more StickMATH tricks.